So this is what it looks like. The last time I had the child size and I got it from International Mall or whatever like that, I kind of like dropped it and it broke because I guess these are glass. I thought it were like plastic, but
if you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone in a sec.
hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you've been, you guys. All right, so this particular video, you guys, is basically a follow-up to our vacation. All right, so of course, you know, we went to Orlando, we had a good time. We didn't go to any parks or anything like that. It was just us spending time together, just kind of trying to do the things that we've never done when we've been in Orlando. Because we don't live too far from Orlando. You know, Orlando is the theme park capital of the world. So basically we've been there, we've done that, we've had a good time. Truth be told, we've never really fully, thoroughly gone to Disney because we're not Disney people. We are Universal people. We love Universal, the kids love Harry Potter. So we kind of do all of those things or whatever like that. But the crazy part is we do go to Disney Springs, which is downtown Disney. If you have ever been, you know it's free to go. You just park, it's free to park. And you just walk around. It's kind of just like an outlet, you know, an outdoor shopping area, whatever like that. So there's shopping, there's food, you know, things to do or whatever like that. There's not necessarily rides. They do have like this hot air balloon thing that you go up, you can see around Disney Springs and kind of like Orlando a little bit or whatever. So that's fun. But either which way, for the most part, you guys, we had a great time. We did a tiny bit of shopping. We did a lot of eating. So we loved every bit of it. The kids had a great time, all right? So of course I love to shop. I'm trying not to shop too much because I do have a lot of things on my wish list that I am looking to get. So I'm definitely gonna do some more saving rather than buying. But I did need a few things like some perfume. I saw a few things that I wanted that I don't think I could get anywhere else. So that's what I did, all right? So that's basically what this video is about. The things that I bought in Orlando on our mini vacation. All right, so let's just jump into it, all right? Because I have been dying to use my perfume, okay? So let's go. I just wanna point out, so there are some things that I actually purchased in store and there are certain things that I purchased online, meaning that if I went into the store, of course, if they didn't have it, they were more than happy to purchase it. They're more than happy to, you know, get it online for me or whatever like that. And that's how I kind of got it. So other things I kind of just did on my own and did that. So either which way, half things were purchased in store, half were purchased online by the sales associate or even by me while it was out there in Orlando. So I just saw the opportunity and I went ahead and did it. But we were walking downtown Disney, which is now called Disney Springs, and they do have a Joe Malone there. And I wanted to stop in there and see if they actually had my Scarlet Poppy, which is the red glass bottle, because for some reason everyone has been running out of that particular one. It is a beautiful scent. I really love it. I ran out. I thought for some reason they actually refilled the bottle for like a smaller price or whatever, but they didn't. I could have sworn the sales associate said they did, but you know, whatever. So either which way, I've been put on the list. If it comes in, I'll get it. I'll probably just get the larger one because I think I got the smaller one last time or whatever, but I went ahead and got a different scent because they didn't have, you know, what I needed. And I honestly could not remember the smaller bottle that I paired with the Scarlet Poppy. I knew it had poppy in it, so it kind of just like, you know, complemented each other. But either which way, let's jump into this new scent that I got because I think it smells good and I like it. So I do like the fact that she did, of course, put, you know, some trial sizes in here. So let's go ahead and just take a look. So this is what it looks like. The last time I had the child size and I got it from International Mall or whatever like that, I kind of like dropped it and it broke because I guess these are glass. I thought it was like plastic, but. Bruh. Literally, I just jinxed myself. All right, you guys, so literally, I basically jinxed myself, but either which way, I just wanted to show you what these look like. So these are little, like travel sizes, whatever. Yeah, and I think it's glass, so yeah, that's why the last one broke. But this is what they look like, and I think this one is the Star Magnolia. This one is Osmanthus Blossom. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's what that one is. And then this one is Nashi Blossom. I don't know how these smell. That one's not that bad. That one's okay. I don't really care for that one. Can't really smell it, but I think I like the first one. All right, so here it is. Of course, you know, the Joe Malone packaging is always so beautifully wrapped. I really love it. I like the way they also spray the box. So let me go ahead and be careful because I really do not want this to fall, but this is what it looks like. The bigger one that I picked up was Velvet Rose and Oud. So this is what this looks like. I like the fact that this bottle is nice and sturdy. It's full. So I liked the way this one smelled. I'm not gonna spray it on me just yet because of course I just sprayed those mini sizes. This is what I paired it with, which is the Peony and Blush Suede. So that is what I paired it with. And she kind of like put it on, you know, the little things that they put it on, and it smelled really good. I like the way it paired. She showed me some other ones, you know, or gave me some samples of other ones, but I did not like the way they smelled for me. But I think for me, I like fruity smells and flowery smells. I like those. I like those notes or whatever like that. So I don't know exactly what the notes are, but you know, I'll try to look them up and then I'll place them like next to me so that way you can kind of get an idea, because yeah, they don't have the notes on here, but I'll definitely look them up by going online and then kind of telling you what those notes are. Yeah, that's what I picked up from Joe Malone. Okay, so in this box, it's actually just only one thing, you guys. I went to Sephora and they didn't actually have it because I believe it might have just been an online thing or whatever like that, but it was limited edition. So yeah, it's funny because it came in this box right here. It was completely wrapped up, but it's so incredibly small. So here it is. So yes, I was hooked. I actually was watching, I was on vacation, YouTube or whatever like that, and Monroe still literally was letting everybody know that they just put these back in stock. I went to Sephora, wanted to see if they have it. That way I could, wanted to see if they had it. That way I can easily just kind of like purchase it in store, but again, didn't. So the best thing for me to do was to order it online, but it is the Fenty Beauty. It has to do with her halftime show. She boxed all of her beauty products and stuff like that in like that NFL type logo, whatever. So this one is called Riri, and it's really just a lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I've always been a lip gloss girl. This is what it looks like on the front. So it does have, again, that NFL logo. So it is limited edition. It has always come in stock and then just sold out right away because everyone tries to get their hands on it. Just really, really rich, and I love that. So that was that. Okay, so this next thing right here, once again, was definitely influenced by Monroe, because honestly, tell you the truth, I probably would have never, ever thought of purchasing. I just wasn't. I just wasn't. All right, but I love the way this looked on her. I love the way she styled it. So hopefully it fits me. Hopefully I didn't go too big or whatever like that, but it is, you know, incredibly stretchy. So we'll see. If not, then it's going back, just, you know, for the amount that it is, which is crazy to me. But for the most part, again, if it feels good, then I'm definitely gonna pair it and go from there. Like, I don't know why it comes out this way. So this is like an unboxing / review, but you know, my hips don't come out this way. But again, I haven't tried it on just yet, but it has this hook right here along with a zipper in the back. But yeah, this is the Skims cat suit, bodysuit or whatever. So I'll definitely try to do like a try on for you guys, just to kind of see how it looks. And I'll either pair it with like some sneakers, jean jacket, a bag, and stuff like that. But this is one of the items that I actually purchased online. So it was here for me waiting when I got here. But again, I'll see how it looks, I'll see how I feel, and I'll just kind of go from there. It has kind of like this distressed, like cow neck, I guess, or rounded out neck or whatever like that. But yeah, so you know, if it feels good, I'll let you guys know. I'm definitely gonna be honest about that or whatever, because you know, not everything is for everyone, you know what I mean? So that's just what it is. Hey family, what's going on? All right, so the camera's charged. So sorry about that. So let's go ahead and continue, because these are the last items from what I picked up while we're on our trip to Orlando. All right, so here we go. All right, so I actually already opened it. However, I'm going to unpackage it with you guys. So it's these two little items that I picked up from Coach, and it is from the Coach outlet. So all right, so this right here is the Coach pencil case in the signature monogram. I needed a pencil case. This is beautiful. This is stunning, you guys. Okay, so first off, I know some of you are gonna be like, okay, why? Why? Because I need a pencil case. I need a pen case, a pencil case. I just need something to house my pens. I like to write. You guys already saw that I have a Coach notebook. And even just besides that notebook, I literally have several notebooks that I keep around me. I keep in my bag because I like to write. And I know we have our phones, I know we have like tablets, everything like that, our laptops, computers, we can easily just write. But I like to have that pen and paper. I think I just love the feel of it. I don't know why, for some reason I didn't become a writer, journalist, whatever, but either which way, I like to write things down. I think it's just easier. I like the feel of it, and I like to see my to-do list. But the problem with that is I love pens. With pens, they do leak. And of course, as you guys know, and as you see, I have a lot of expensive bags. This is a pet peeve of my husband's. He cannot stand the fact that I always have pens in my bags. And for the most part, with the bags being so expensive, those pens can leak and it can mess up my bag. So for me, I finally went ahead and bit the bullet, and I said, you know what, go ahead and get a pencil case. I was just gonna get a regular one because it really didn't matter, but this one was on sale and I figured, you know what, why not? So it matched the notebook and I liked it. But as you can see, like I said, it is a Coach signature monogram material. It is canvas. It does have a zipper opening, and it is, I believe, leather on the interior. So it's really cute. I like it, and I'm gonna start using it literally right away. Okay, so the next thing, you guys, that I purchased that I don't know if I necessarily needed, but I think for me, it will probably help. Hopefully, as you guys have previously seen in a few videos back or whatever, I showed you that literally when I wake up or when my husband wakes up, you know, we kind of like prepare each other's day, which is by either putting a toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, mouthwash, medicine, and everything like that out on the counter. That way you don't kind of have to stumble around looking for stuff, even though it's right there in the drawer. It's just easier. It makes it just, you know, convenient for both of us. It starts the day off nice. We kind of know what's to be expected, and it just helps. Sometimes we don't always get to do it, but for the most part, it is something that we kind of like, you know, do and we like, you know. So I do take medicine. I take vitamins. I take everything like that, vitamin D, you know, everything, you know. So for the most part, I have an issue taking my medicine, my vitamins. I don't know if you guys do, whether you take medicine, whether you have an issue with it. I just don't like taking pills in general. I don't like taking Tylenol. I don't like taking anything that has to do with pills and me swallowing them because I feel like they always get stuck, but that's just me. But either which way, I'm saying that all to say I felt that if maybe I purchased a pill holder, it might make me take it, right? Because this is really cute and it's really convenient, and I know it's extra, but I'm extra. So either which way, you guys, yes, this is a 7-day with a little extra pill holder. So, I mean, it comes out, you can easily just take this out and then use this for jewelry or whatever like that if you're traveling. It has a cute little compartment right here. You can use it for cards if you are traveling, if you want to do that. But for the most part, it is just for, you know, your pills. But again, it has the days Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday. And then of course it has a little extra right there. But again, and you have a little holder, a slot right here. You can put your cards if you want to use it for jewelry, whatever. But again, come in, babe.
You never said you would.
I did. I said I was going to do some videos and you said, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. All right, so this right here, I feel like is convenient. I'm gonna keep it in the bathroom. I'm gonna look at it every day and realize that I spent money on this pill holder. So therefore I'm going to open it up, take my pills, and then I'll be good to go. So that way, every single morning at the same time, I'll remember to take my pills because I literally purchased a Coach pill holder. So yes, again, it's bougie, it's extra, but it makes me feel good. Hopefully it'll remind me to take my pills, and it just is what it is. Plus it wasn't that expensive. It wasn't like it was out of control or anything like that. It wasn't in the hundreds of dollars or whatever. It was actually on sale. Like I said, I got it from the Coach outlet and I like it. And of course, like I said, you can use it for so many other things, you know, smaller jewelry like your rings or whatever, your earrings. Just take the pill holder itself out because it does come out, because it is actually a hard case. So it's not, so yeah, see, it is actually very structured, a hard shell. So you'll be good to go. And then you can easily take this out. You can wash it if you need to, let it dry, and you can put your medicine in there. But again, I bought it mainly just to remind me. And I felt like, you know what? If this is what helps to remind me to take my medicine, so be it. All right, family, that is it. That is what I purchased on our family vacation in Orlando. So if you have any questions with whatever I purchased, you guys let me know. Leave it in the description box below. I will go ahead and try to link as many things as possible. Not sure if I can link any of the outlet items, but I will definitely try. If it's still available, go ahead and get. If you're going to school, the pencil case is very convenient. It comes in handy. It's cute. It's stylish. And again, it doesn't cost that much. I know probably anything more than $20, $30 might be a lot just for something so simple. But again, if it zhuzhes up your bag, your lifestyle, and it makes you feel good, you guys, go ahead and do it. All right. So again, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you loved everything I showed you. So go ahead and like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe, you guys. And most importantly, go ahead and hit that bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload. That way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right. So I will see you in the next video, you guys. Thank you for watching, staying, loving. I appreciate you all.